Hello, I'm Barry. This is Lockdown Drama. As always, if you haven't seen Introduction to Lockdown Drama, you should watch that first. If you have seen it, welcome and welcome back. Yes, for some reason, I decided to wear grey with a grey background. Wasn't intentional. Also, you'll have noticed longer hair. That's what lockdown has done to me. Maybe you too. Hello. Today's little session is called Yes, No, Oh. You will need one other person. If you've got more than one person, it works just as well. Okay. In this, you're going to make a little scene. You're going to be acting. Okay. You're going to make it up as you go, so don't worry about it. This is what you are allowed to say. In fact, you're only allowed to say 3 words, and they are, have a guess, yes, no, and oh. Oh's not really a word, it's more of a noise. You can only say those 3 words, but you can say them as many times as you want. And here's the most important thing. You can say them any way you want. You will have to use expression. You can also change how your face looks. For example, oh. That last one counts as no. And yeses. Yes! Yes? Yeah. No. 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 There you go. 3 examples of those. There are literally hundreds. This is what you're going to do. You and your partner are going to sit opposite each other. Decide who starts. One of you is going to say yes or no or oh, and the other one is going to respond. Okay? Make it up. I'll give you an example. When I wear this, I am my partner. When I'm off, I am me. Or the other way around. It's both me. Did you spot that? Here we go. I shall start. Yes? No. Yes? No. Yes? No. Oh. Yes. 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 There. That's it. That's my little short one. You can make yours much longer if you like, but don't go on and on. You should find a good ending for it. If it works really well, you might talk to your partner at the end and say, I really liked it when that happened. Maybe we could do that next time. Or maybe we could change this. And then your improvising, which is making it up, becomes devising, which is making it up, having changed bits and pieces as you go. Have a think with your partner. What might be happening? Now you can talk to each other and say, I know, let's talk about going to the beach. But of course you're not going to say anything about the beach. You can only say yes, no or oh. Could make it more simple. What about let's have pasta for dinner? That's what you're discussing. Anything you like. Okay. Once it works out, you could always go and get other people from the house, get them to be in the audience, or even better, get them to do a scene as well. And then you can show each other and have a guess and see what you've been doing. Have a guess and see what you could possibly be talking about. I hope you have fun with that. It's really easy and it's really good fun. Bye.